Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. Thanks so much for joining me here on this new video. I'm gonna hit and gonna do a little training today. A lot of you guys email me on a daily basis asking me how I can help you get started making money online with PayPal. Now this channel has been for a long time. I'm giving a lot of value away, and I'm gonna continue to give value away for forever. In 2018, definitely 2018. All right. Can you believe it's almost 2018? That's insane. Okay. Anyway, it's like a sci-fi movie. 2018, Odyssey, Odyssey, 2018. Now, what you're gonna need to do, guys, is understand that one of the PayPal products that I love to promote is WCC. PayPal. It's WCC. One of the reasons why I love promoting WCC is because they pay out on time. They pay out. They're not gimmick. They're not a fraud. They're not scammy. They don't promise money and don't give it. They don't do things like that. They actually pay out on time. And they work with JVZoo. And they also have their own payout system. They have their own system that pays out as well. I actually work through JVZoo for WCC, and it is a very lucrative program, guys. As I've shown you probably over 200 videos now of me making income with WCC. You're getting paid $1, okay, when the person joins up, or actually 50 cents. You get 50% of that. So I get 50 cents of that. So when, for example, if you click the link below and join it for $1, you'll take a 10-day test drive of the system, which in and of itself is amazing because most systems require that you have to pay like $30, $50 to $200, $300 up front before you even can see what's inside. So you actually get to see the membership, you get to see the training, you get to see everything. It's not limited in the sense that you can't see what's going on. So you can actually get a feel for the program for 10 days, and so many people continue past the 10 days and join up for $34 a month. Okay, that's what it's going to cost you. Very, very small amount. Very small amount. Okay, in which I receive again 50%. So you get 50% of everything that comes in. So people stay on constantly, month after month after month. So many people have upgraded to a full year. Instead of paying the $34 a month, they'll upgrade for a full year, so they have a savings. They save a little bit every month. It's cheaper that way. And then after that, guys, the program is going to do everything for you. It's a total set and forget it type program. That's what makes it so, I guess, attractive to everyone, because they're going to take care of your autoresponder. They're going to take care of your swipes. They're going to take care of your traffic. They're going to take care of everything. Have everything in-house. And that is the key to the system, guys. Everything is in-house for you, okay? So again, I can go on and on for days, but check out the video from the owner, okay? And you'll find a link below this video. Check that video out.
Guys, if you want to make money with Michael, click the link below.